In this tutorial I will show you how to cancel Meta Verified on Instagram. So first of all, open the Instagram app. Then go to the profile section and tap on the 3 horizontal line at the top. Select Settings and Privacy and tap on the Account Center and tap on the Learn More. Then type on the search bar subscription. And select the options to cancel your Meta Verified subscription on Instagram. Then tap on this link here. And we have to cancel the subscription from here. So here is how you can cancel Meta Verified on Instagram.